Hi Hari, today I'm going to draw a scenery, a very nice drawing. This is going to be very easy, very basic scenery, not so much stuff, and you can learn very easily. Just follow the instructions and see how I am drawing. So we're going to draw a house in the beginning. You can see the house I'm drawing right now. So follow the instructions, just do the steps like me. Okay, and on the other side just draw another line parallel to the previous one. Connect these two lines. These are all vertical lines, so you can connect like this. Also connect this one. You can put the doors and the windows here. All right, another house you can draw behind that one, and this is going to be like this. Also for that one you can put the shades and again draw the same way. So you know, it's the repetition of the same process, nothing's complicated. Just keep doing the same thing. First you have to learn a basic thing, then you can apply for the whole drawing the same process. You can put a bigger haystacks on the side of the house. All right, put few outlines here. This is the border lines of the land which differentiate its presence from the water. Okay, another house you are going to draw here. All right, and you can see a tree. And few other tree lines which you can see from a far distance. Some bushes you can see here. So there may be a variable shades in all the drawings. Also you can put a boat in the banks. All right, and another boat here. The reflections of the boat are on the water. So you can see the drawing, it's really nice. That's not so complicated, but it's already look like a nice scenery. Few hatches you can put here. All right, now I'm going to put the colors. So let's put the green color for the borders here, as you can see. This is green along the border of the river. This is going to be another style of drawing. You can see the depth of colors. It's differentiating the lands from the water side. So the dark green and the light green, there's the play of the shades and shadow. All right, some parts of the trees are going to be the dark green, some parts are going to be the light green. Okay, you can see the tree lines and the branches here. Now I'm going to put the light green in the middle spaces. All right, also in these places. The rooftop is going to be the darker color. Let's put the color. It's little bit coffee color for the rooftop. Let's rotate the canvas little bit and draw the colors. You can see it. And the other side of the house is going to be the darker color. Let's put another variations. Right, it's little lighter color than the roof. Also we can use the same color for the hashtags. Okay, so we can see the middle. Let's darken the window little bit. All right, now we're going to put the darker outline. For the drawing here. Okay, so only one thing is left, the river color. It's going to be the blue again, and let's use the crayon color for a speed coloring. With the crayon you can color the whole area very fast. Yeah, the drawing is looking nice. Okay, so this is it, a very nice drawing. Thanks for watching. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel as you like it and put the bell icons on for new updates. Thank you so much. You can also go to the playlist and select your own choices from different categories. Lots of drawings out there. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Have a good day.